What's the meaning of Buffy the Vampire Slayer? Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Buffy the Vampire Slayer is an American supernatural drama television series that originally aired from 1997 to 2003. The show follows Buffy Summers, a teenage girl who learns she is the Slayer, chosen to fight against vampires and other supernatural beings. Along with her friends, known as the Scooby Gang, Buffy battles various villains and navigates the struggles of adolescence. The show has been praised for its witty writing, complex characters, and feminist themes, becoming a cultural phenomenon and spawning spin-off series, comic books, and merchandise. Overall, Buffy the Vampire Slayer is a beloved and influential piece of pop culture.